Okay, peace. This is Phil A, Beatmaking MC. Just want to show a quick video. I'm going to do a few quick videos on the iMPC Pro for iPhone 2. I'm getting my drum library organized and together. So in the future, it'll be really easier to get started. So you hear that dope snare? So basically, you got to go to Tweak menu. This is where you can copy drum sounds, move them around, delete them. So I have some of the iMPC packs. These ones came with iMPC 2 if you pre-ordered it. And some of them are loops, but they have like one good sound you might want to keep and use ready to go. So let's find. Alright, let's say we just want the first kick on that. So we're on the sounds tab. I'm going to move to parameters. Edit sound. Wow, it's a lot of slice. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. It's got all the sounds sliced up. Now, what I was going to do... I'm going to go to trim, because I really just want that first one kick just to show you guys how you could do it. I'm moving the end line all the way over. You can hear the next piece that you're not using by hitting audition right. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is click on the actual sound, hit this arrow to the right, and hit discard ends. Alright. Now we got one kick sound. We can, in the name part, we can rename it. They already put a 2 next to it and a star, so it didn't ruin our original sound. We don't lose that loop that we just, even though we discarded the ends. And let's see here. We're going to save this into kicks folder. Choose this bank. Done. Saving. Alright, so now I've been doing this, and I'll show you when you go to in the sounds tab, all sounds. Oh no, one more. Yeah, all sounds. And then look, there's our kicks tab. Because some of these awesome drum kits that we'll get, it'll just be snares and kicks and hi-hats all separated. It's cool to have it in a certain place. And where's the one that we just got? That would be BSS Dawn Kit Drums 2. That's this one. Alright, and that's the quick video. Start getting your drum library together. I'm going to work on my snares now, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace.